Hello friend, today I have a Lexus LS460 customer complaint, ABS light on, traction control light on, and window motor not working, master switch not working. All the window motor is stop working, only door lock, unlock working, central lock is working. You see ABS light and vehicle stability light is on, and the window motor is not working, glass window motor. We have code C1242, power source missing from the skid control ECU, ignition power source missing. First thing first, we check window motor, read code, any stop communication code we have or no. I delete the code, but still cannot be erase the code. Now I check the driver door motor first. Any issue? Now I check driver door motor. Any code? There is no code. Power window motor, no code. This system work in lane system, data line system. No activation test. In activation test, the motor is working. It means motor is good. Any electric issue? In the main switch not working. All the door is not working in the main switch. We check. First thing, we repair the ABS issue. Maybe totally one issue. This is data. The switch also is working. When press the switch is on. Switch also is working. No code in the window system. Only we have one code, a C1242 in the ABS. C1242. This is two connector, skid control ECU. This is A19, this is A21 connector. This is skid control ECU. Skid control ECU. We have code C1242. Any ignition electric missing. This is the wiring diagram. This is A21 connector 46, pin 46 connector A21. This is relay controlled by body control module. There is A19 46 pin with the ignition switch on. We check B positive in this two wire. This is body control module, control the ignition relay, IG2 relay and IG1 relay. One is a 21 connector 46 pin and another one a 19 46 pin. Now I on the ignition and check. We have positive. This is a 21 46 pin. Ignition switch on. There is electric. Now we check A19 46 pin. There is no electric. Anything missing here? No power. I back to the diagram and see A1946 pin. A1946 pin. This is A2146 pin. There is electric. This one A1946 pin. There is no electric. First thing we check this fuse. If fuse is good, then problem in relay or BCM. This fuse located left side, driver side, 10 ampere fuse. This is 10 ampere fuse located in left side, driver side. This is a driver side. Fuse number 10 ampere. This is the one. This is the fuse. One side electric, another side we check. Fuse is gone. No electric. No electric. Problem in the fuse. Maybe I change the fuse, everything will be working good. There is no electric. C1242. Now the window is working and maybe ABS light also will be off. Now I check electric. A19 pin 46 on the ignition switch. Thank you for watching. There is electric. I fix back everything and start the car and see the ABS light. It will be off or no. There is okay. Everything okay. Only problem in the fuse.